Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Price Action Trading on Bank Nifty. We will see how our favorite indicator performed today on 22nd April and what were some good trades for intraday based on price action on Bank Nifty. So, as we can see, that the Bank Nifty reverted from here and then now we are in a confirmed uptrend on 5-minute charts, though after breaking this significant trend line I am expecting that the price will move here and again come back to test this trend line, either break it, come near this low or near this high, or somewhere form a higher high with this. But anyways, today let's see what happened. So the market opened gapped up, and in the first 5 minutes itself it had a big fall of 311 points, which means that this high would be very difficult to break during the rest of the day. And for now, after the close of this bar, I was interested to see if I can take a small scalp trade because we are already in an uptrend. So any bearish trade would has to be a scalp trade, and any bullish trade or with trend trade has to be the bullish trade with full volume, and any scalp trade will be with a lesser volume. So I always wait for the first bar to end, and when this bar closed I waited for the next bar. If you can see very closely that the low of the second bar did not go below the low of the first bar, so I was expecting after the end of this big bearish bar there will be a bearish flag and there will be a continuation down to meet the moving average. And let's see what I did. So at the close of this bar I saw that the price has tried to go up, but in the end it is failing. So immediately on the third bar at around 9:26 am I took the short trade with a target of reaching the moving average and with a stop loss of maybe 30 points on the Bank Nifty option, or if it went reasonably higher than this high of the second bar. So the third bar gave us some profit, the fourth bar gave us some profit. I added some position on the third bar, and the fourth bar I exited all my position because somewhere I was not feeling very confident and I had a reasonable profit as well. But ideally the first trade could have been the first leg down up and the second leg down to meet the moving average. So anybody could have entered at the close of this bar, and on the third bar, fourth bar below this low they could have entered because the market opened here, went high, and then it went below the low of this bar. So anybody would have entered there. It would have given profit here, it would have given profit here, it would have given profit here. This particular bar became a doji bar in which we could see that the market opened here, went all the way down here. It was a big red candle and it failed to meet the moving average and started reverting up and became a doji bar. So I knew that this was a good point to exit the trade. So anybody who entered here or here would have got a reasonable scalping profit on Bank Nifty. That was the first trade of the day which we could have taken. The second trade of the day would have been after this moving average was touched and this bar showed that there is a bearish flag and more continuation, but the next bar, this doji bar, confirmed the failure of this down move. So, and also it was in a bullish trend, the touching of the moving average, so we can expect some upside move. So somebody could have taken a scalp trade from the after the close of this bar to at least this high, and the target would have been easily met in 1, 2, 3 and 4 bars. Again it would have been only a nominal profit, not a very high profit. The third trade could have been this particular setup. If you look at it closely, it is a flat EMA and there is one push down and another push down below a flat EMA. So most likely this becomes a long setup on price action, and the target could have been close to this high. And exactly if you see this bar, it tried to reach the high of this bar. So after this two shots, after this close of this bullish bar, there's one leg up, down, and second leg up and down. People could have exited at the close of this bar, and aggressive people could have tried to have a target of this bar. So this could have been the next trade of the day. The last trade of the day could have been here. Now, after this flat uh, moving average, the price broke out above the middle of the day high, not the open of the day high, in the middle session of the day high, and then it formed a doji. Many people would have been caught here because this bar after closing here, from here it went high, and people would have thought, okay, let it go above this high and then I will be long. So many people have taken that long. It formed a doji bar and it didn't trade in the direction of the trade. It closed as red. So if somebody would have taken a trade at the close or at the breach of this high, they should have exited when they saw this red doji bar being formed, because the next bar surely took away their stop losses. And how this could have been a setup for through price action, because we can see very clearly there is a breakout and then the correction reversed from the slightly upward sloping moving average, and this is a big bullish close. So after this reversal we could have traded two legs up. So one leg up, down, it closed here, came all opened here, came all the way down here and reversed here again and reversed up and moved up here again. So anybody could have taken a trade from the open of this bar or the breach of this high and could have taken the trade till the close of the day. So these would have been the trades for today. Let's see what the price action dictates for tomorrow. If we zoom out from the chart, we have finished our downtrend and this is the bearish channel line, and here on Friday we had a significant break of the channel line. Now according to price action, when there is a significant break of the channel line, of a trend channel line, the price will fall or rise, the price will fall and then come and try to meet either this channel line or come close to this low. So that is what I am waiting for tomorrow. But please keep in mind this, we are now in an uptrend. So even if there is some correction, I will be still in a buy on dips setup. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks, and please like and subscribe, and let's tune it tomorrow to see how we will perform. Thanks. Bye.